Hello Year 10 and welcome to this little video which is going to show you around your new class Teams and also show you how to submit an assignment. This video is focusing on using Teams on a computer, a desktop or a laptop, but I'll also make another video to show you how to use it on your mobile phone. So if you're on a computer, the place you need to start is RM Unify and you're going to sign in with your school email address and password. So I'll just sign in now. And you'll come to the RM Unify landing page and you want to look out for this icon here, the Teams icon, and click it. And when you do, you will see something like this. Obviously, your classes will have Year 10 at the start of them. So to show you round, I'm going to use this demonstration team here. So to open a team, you click on it and you will land on this page here, which is the posts. This is a bit like a social media feed. Okay, so you've got various different messages from your teachers. If you've got assignments, they will pop up on this page and your teachers might post notices of assessments, extra bits to help you with your homework, that kind of thing. Sometimes the messages on here will have a hyperlink in them. So that, for example, that one there would take you to a resource. If it's an assignment, you'll be able to click there and view the assignment as well. This general channel feed is for your teachers only. Okay, so we're going to leave this clear so that any information that they post stays nice and uncluttered. If you have a question, then you need to use the student questions channel, which is underneath here, okay? And that's how you've got the ability to contact your teacher. So if you had a question, you could click down the bottom here, new conversation. Maybe you want to ask your teacher, when is the assessment? So we always keep it polite and appropriate for a classroom. So hello, when is our assessment, please? Okay, now obviously your teachers aren't going to be online all the time, but they will keep an eye on these teams, and when they see that you've posted, they will reply. So in this case, the assessment is Friday, and you can see there that your teacher has replied to you. Okay, so the student questions channel here is the only one you're allowed to post in. We need to keep our interactions professional at all times. Okay, I'm going back into the general channel now, and I want to show you around a little bit more. Up the top, you have got lots of different options, and I'm just going to show you through them. So Files operates like any other filing system on a computer that you're really used to using already. It's where your teachers will put resources for you that could support you in your learning. They will put different folders here that apply to your course. Okay, so hopefully those the headings of those folders will make sense to you. To open them, you just click them. Okay, and then you can see all the resources that are available to you. So for example, this mind map, and you've got the option to download that to your computer and use it, and then just close it when you've finished. Okay, so that was Files. We're going to leave Class Notebook for the time being and have a quick look at assignments. So as you know by now, after half term, all of your work will be set on Teams and not on Show My Homework. So assignments is going to be a really important place for you. Here you can see the tasks that you still have to complete. And if you click completed, you can see all the work that you've already done. Okay. If I want to have a look at my work again, because I want to use it or go back to it, all I need to do is click it. Okay, so I can see here I was asked to complete a worksheet, and there's that worksheet. I can see the feedback that my teacher gave me, and I can also see the score that I got. If I want to see my actual work, all I have to do is click it, and I can see the answers that I gave to those questions. Okay, and I'm going to close that again now and go back. Okay, so let's have a look at how I might actually go in and submit an assignment, because this is one that I still have to complete. I can see that it's due in on the 23rd of October at 4 o'clock. So I'm going to click it to open it. And what I've been asked to do is to write a film review, and there's obviously some elements that I need to include. I can see that there is a massive 100 points available for this one. And I can also see that my teacher has attached a document. Sometimes that'll be a document that they want you to write on and complete. Sometimes it will just be for reference. So let's click it and open it. Okay, so I've got to write about my favourite film. You'll notice that it's just opened up in a browser, in a window here that I can type onto. So I need to include the title, the genre, and the characters. Okay, obviously I'm not going to do that all now, but I will just start off. So my favourite film is Harry Potter. Okay, let's imagine that I've written all of the rest of my work there. I don't need to save it anywhere. It does it automatically. All I do is just click close and it takes me back to my assignment page. I'm all happy. I'm all ready. If I want to just check again, I can just click on my work again. Okay, and it'll open back up. Yep, there it is. It's still there. I'm going to close it again. And when I'm ready, I press this blue button in the corner here that says hand in. And I get a lovely little picture to congratulate me for doing that. Okay, if I realised later on that I hadn't finished it or I handed it in by mistake, I just click undo and then I can edit it again. Okay, so now when I go back into my assignments, I can see that it's moved into the completed section, so I know that I've done it. The last little section across here, my grades, I can use to keep track of what I've done. So I can see when I've handed it in. I can see when the teacher has returned it to me and given me a grade or some points. Okay? Now then, that's how you use assignments within one of your subjects. If you want to see all of your assignments across all your different subjects, that's when you need to use the menu down the side here. And you'll notice that there is a little button there called Assignments. So I'm going to click that and I can see all the different tasks that I've been set by my teachers. These ones have got past due because if you look at the due date, it's already passed. I can see that those have gone red, they are late. And then I've got some other assignments here which I still need to complete. If I want to see the ones I've handed in, again, I just click completed and I can see them all there. Okay, if at any point I'm a little bit lost and I want to go back to my Teams, I just use that button there on the left-hand side and keep clicking it and it takes me back to that front page again. So hopefully that was useful. I know that you'll need lots of opportunities to have a play yourselves, so I've set up a few tasks for you to have a go at. And as I said, there's another video for you to watch showing you how to use it on your phone. The great thing about Teams is that you can access it on any device, but obviously you're going to find it a lot easier if you're working on a computer or even a tablet because your mobile phone screen is just going to be pretty tiny.